Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to pin a post on Facebook. The first thing to do is to go to any web browser, for example, Google Chrome, and type Facebook. Once it appears, click, and it will take you directly to your Facebook homepage. Now here, all you have to do is to click this three dots at the top right corner and kindly scroll down and choose desktop site. Now your mobile is on a desktop mode. So next is tap the three vertical lines here at the top right corner. Go to your profile and scroll down and look for a picture or a post that you wanted to pin. As you can see, the first one here, I already pinned this post, but the pin post is not visible here. But this time I wanted to pin this second photo that I posted. So all I have to do is to click this three dots here. And as you can see in the options, there is no pin post here. So what are we going to do now is to exit Google Chrome and go to your Facebook application. Now go to your profile and then scroll down. And as you can see, I have pinned this post, right? So in order to pin another post, all you have to do is to click the three dots here and pin this post. Scroll down again and look for the photo or post that you wanted to pin. For example, this one, click the three dots, click the pin post. So when you refresh your Facebook profile and scroll down, you can see that this post is pinned now. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.